In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create epics in ClickUp. An epic is a larger body of work that captures a big goal or theme. Think of it as the umbrella under which multiple related tasks or stories live. In ClickUp, you can represent an epic in a couple of simple ways, and I'll walk you through both so you can choose what fits your team. First, open ClickUp. You can use the browser or the desktop app. Either works the same for what we're doing today. Make sure you're in the correct workspace so everything lands where your team expects it. A quick tip before we move on. If you collaborate across departments, double-check who has access to the area you'll be working in to avoid visibility or permission hiccups later. Next, choose the project area you want. Depending on how your ClickUp is organized, that might be a space, a folder, or a specific list dedicated to your project. The key is to place your epic where its related tasks naturally live. If your team already groups work by product or sprint, follow that structure. Keeping epics close to their dependent tasks makes planning and reporting much easier. Now, create the epic as a task. Click Add Task and give it a clear, specific title, such as Epic, New Onboarding Flow, or Epic Q3 Reporting Revamp. Use the description to outline the scope, goals, and any guardrails your team should follow. A concise, agreed-upon definition helps prevent scope creep. Many teams treat this task as a container. You can later break the work into subtasks or link existing tasks to the epic using relationships, depending on your workflow. If your workspace uses statuses, choose one that reflects the epic's current stage so everyone understands whether it's planned, in progress, or complete. There's also an alternative. You can create a new space and name it after the epic. This approach gives the epic its own dedicated area, which can be helpful when it spans multiple teams or requires its own views and automations. It's a heavier weight option, so it's best when the initiative is truly large and cross-functional. If you go this route, keep the naming consistent with the rest of your workspace and set the space as sharing in hierarchy so contributors can easily find lists and tasks underneath it. That's it. Open ClickUp, choose the right project area, create the epic as a task with a clear title and context. Or, for very large initiatives, create a dedicated space named after the epic. Pick the method that matches the size of your effort and your team's structure, and you'll keep planning, tracking, and reporting streamlined from day one.